Good morning, children. How are you? Are you safe at home? In the previous class, we are starting the new block, fifth block, highest common factor. In that block, what we are discuss? Prime number, composite number, co-prime numbers. Okay, then what do you mean by prime number? Prime number, the numbers having only two factors. Then what do you mean by factor? Factor of a number. A number can write in a product of two numbers, that numbers. We say that factors. Okay. Then we want to find factors of 9. How we write 9? We want to write 9 as a product of two numbers. Which are the numbers? 1 into 9. 9. Then 9 into 1 also 9. Then any method? Yes, 3 into 3. Any other possibilities here? Only 1 into 9, 9. 9 into 1, 9. And 3 into 3, 9. Yes, that much only. So, what are we are using only 1, 9, 3. These numbers. So, these numbers are the factors of 9. 1, 3, 9 are the factors of 9. Got it? Then some numbers have only two factors. That numbers we say that prime numbers. Then what do you mean by composite number? Composite number, the number has more than two factors. More than two factors. Got it? Then next is co-prime numbers. What do you mean by co-prime? Prime we know that only two factors. What do you mean by co-prime numbers? Yes, co-prime numbers. In that case, co-prime numbers case, we are comparing two numbers. Any two numbers, common factor is only 1. Any two numbers, common factor is only 1. That numbers we say that co-prime numbers. Which are the numbers? 3 and 2. Comparing 3 and 2, the factors of 3 is 1 and 3. Factors of 2 is 1 and 2. What is the common factor? Only 1. So, 2 and 3 are the co-prime numbers. Okay. Then, in the previous class, we are discussing prime and composite number, co-prime numbers. You got it? What is prime number, composite number and co-prime numbers? Then, what is our topic? Highest common factor. What is the short form of highest common factor? HCF. Then, today we are discussing how to find highest common factor. Okay. Using prime factorization. What do you mean by prime factorization? Anyone can say? We want to write a number in the Okay, what do you mean by prime factorization? Write a number as the product of its prime factors. Got it? Then first heading you write on prime factorization. What do you mean by prime factorization? Write a number. Write a number. Write a number as the product of its prime factors or product of its prime factors. Write a number as the product of its prime factors. Write down this definition. What do you mean by prime factorization? Prime factorization. Write a number as the product of its prime factors. Then, what do you mean by factorization? Prime factorization. What do you mean by factorization? Next heading, factorization. Factorization. Factorization is a process of finding factors of a number. Factorization is a process of finding the factors of a number. Factorization. Factorization is a process of finding the factors of a number. Then we will check it. How to find the highest common factor using prime factorization. Okay, ready? The factorization. Prime factorization in two methods are there. Long division method and tree method. Okay, here we are using tree method. Prime factorization using tree method. Got it? Next, find the HCF of. Write down this question. Find the HCF of. Find the HCF of 24 and 25. We want to find the HCF of 24 and 25. Then, before finding HCF, what we want to find? What we want to find? Yes, factors of 24 and 25. Using tree method, I will do here 24. Raise 24. Then how we write 24 as the product of any two numbers? Which are the numbers? 6 into 4. So, here 6 and 4 are not prime numbers. So, again we want to change. How you write 6 as the product of two numbers? Yes, 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. Then 4, 2 into 2. Then any other possibilities? Here 1 into 2, 3 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 1. Any other possibilities? No. So we are writing 24. So we are writing 24 as the product of 1 into, how many 2's are there? 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 1. So only 1 we can write. Okay. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Then we can change 25. We want to change 25. We want to write 25 as the product of any two numbers. Which are the numbers? 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. So then 5 we want, how we write 1 into 5, and here also 1 into 5. That only the possible. So what are the prime factors of 25? 1 into 5 into 5. Then we will check it. How to find the HCF here. Finding the HCF, we want to write the common prime numbers here. Which are the common prime numbers here? 1 is not prime number, but we are choosing 1 here. Okay. Then 1 only there. Remaining numbers No numbers here. So 1 only the prime. Common number. That is the common factor and highest common factor of 24 and 25. 1 only the. Okay. So I choose here 1. Okay. Then we will do another problem. Next question. Write down the next question. Find the HCF of. Second question. Find the HCF of. Find the HCF of same number 24 and 12. 24 and 12. 24 and 12. So first we want to find the prime factors of 24 and 12. First we are writing 24. How you write? Using tree method 24. Then we want to write 24 as the product of any two numbers. Which are the numbers? 6 and 4. Okay, in the previous problem we will do 6 and 4. Next, now I will do 2 and 12. The previous problem I will do 6 and 4. You think that only we are using 6 and 4 only. No, you can choose any two numbers, but make sure that this two numbers product is the given number. Okay, then 2 into 12. Then 2 is a prime number. 12 is prime number? No. So what we do? Again, we want to convert it. We want to write 12 as the product of any two numbers. Which are the numbers? Yes, 6 and 2. 2 into 6 is 12. Okay, then what we do? Here 2 is a prime number. 6 is not prime number. Then 6 we want to convert it. 6 as the product of any two numbers is 2 into 3. Okay. Then we write 1 into 2. Here 1 into 2. 1 into 2 only possible. 1 into 3. Here some of them doing in 12. Only we are writing 1 and 12. No. If you are not possible other two numbers product, we are writing 1 into that number itself. Okay. Then many of them I saw that made mistake 12. So it's possible only 1 into 12. But we have possible 26, 4 into 3. These are the possible cases. So you are using that two numbers, not 1 into 12. Okay. In this case only. We are reached the prime numbers only we are writing 1 into that number itself. Then 24 we can write 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then next we want to write 12. 12 we can write 4 into 3 or 2 into 6. Then 3 is a prime number, so we are writing only 1 into 3. 4. 4 we can write 2 into 2. 2 we can write 1 into 2. 1 into 2. What are the prime factors of 12? 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. Look here. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. After finding the product of all prime factors, we will get the given number. Okay. Then we want to find HCF. What is the HCF? How you find? Yes, finding the common numbers. Common primes. 1 into. Then 2. Then 2. Here 1, 2 is remaining. But you are not choosing here. Okay. That's you leave it. Then 3. So after finding this product, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. 12 is the HCF of 12 and 24. We are writing this way. HCF of 12, 24 is equal to 12. Got it? We'll discuss some problems from your textbook. Page number 29. Lesson 2 HCF prime factorization. First question. List all the factors of each given number. Circle the prime factors. From here 30, 55, 88. So I'll write here 30. What are the factors of 30? What are the factors of 30? 1 into 30, 30. 2 into 15, 30. 3 into 10, 30. Then 5 into 6, 30. 5 comma 6. Then any other possible cases? 1 into 30, 30, 2 into 15, 30, 3 into 30, 3 into 10, 30, 5 into 6, 30. No. So these are the factors of 30. Then find the next, circle the prime factors. From this, circle the prime factors. 2, 3, 5. These are the prime factors. Got it? The next 55, you want to find the all factors of 55 and circle the prime numbers. Next 88. Find all the factors of 88 and circle the prime factors. Second question, find the HCF using prime factorization. 15, 18, 28, 56, we are doing some problems here, and 44, 77. The next question, find the HCF of 6, 12, 24. That we will do. Here 3 numbers, we are using 2 numbers only. How you find the HCF using 2 numbers only. Now we are doing one question from the textbook. Third question, write down that question. Find the HCF of 6, 12, 24. 6, 12, 24. 6, 12, 24. Before finding HCF, what we do? Yes, we want to make its prime factors. 6. We want to write 6 as the product of any 2 numbers. Which are the numbers? 2 and 3. Then any other possibilities? No. So 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So we are writing 1, 2, 1, 3. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. The next 12. That we know that. Which are the numbers? I want to write here. Okay. 12 we can write 2 into 6. 6 we can write 3 into 2. Then 1 into 2. 1 into 3. 1, 2. Then 24. 24 we can write 2 into 12. 12 we can write 2 into 6. 6 we can write 3 into 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 3. 1, 2. So 6 we can write 1 into 2 into 3. 12 we can write 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. 12 we can write 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Twenty-four we can write 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then how you find HCF of 6, 12, 24? Yes, we want to find the common numbers. 1 into, then 2, then in these two cases 2 is common, but comparing these three numbers 2 is only 1 2 is common. Remaining here 3, here 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. So next common number is 3 only. So what is the HCF of 6, 12, 24? 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 6. Got it? The next we will discuss some problem from your workbook. HCF prime factorization, page number 23, S2. List all the factors of 48. You want to write all the factors of 48. Circle the factors that are prime numbers. We will do one problem here. We are writing all the factors of 30, then circle the prime numbers. Next, complete the chart. Factor tree of 12. You want to draw factor tree of 12 here. Factor tree of 30 here. Common prime factors of 12 and 30. Some factors we will mark it here. One circle. Using circle, 2 and 3 are the common prime factors that you write here. Highest common. Finding the product here. Okay. Then find the highest common factor of 16, 12, 20. We are doing here. Now, common factor, highest HCF of 6, 12, 24. Same method you find out 16, 12, 20. Got it? So, today we are discussing the HCF of finding HCF using prime factorization. In this block, fifth block, highest common factor, we are discussing what is prime number, composite number and co-prime numbers. Okay. Then today we are discussing how to find HCF using prime factorization. I hope all are understand this prime factorization and how to find HCF. Then also we are writing two definition. What is prime factorization and what is factorization? Factorization is a process of finding factors. Prime factorization, write a number as the product of its prime numbers. Prime factors. Okay. Do all problems. We are discussed some problem from practice questions and workbook. You do all problems and send to me. Have a nice day. Thank you.